everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix DStv decoder not booting up, power, signal and factory reset troubleshooting guide. Fix 1. Perform a power reset. Turn off the decoder and unplug it from power. Now wait for around 30 to 60 seconds then plug the decoder back in. Turn it on and wait for the boot process to start. Fix 2. Check the smart card and connections. Turn off the decoder and remove and reinsert the smart card if your model uses one. Now ensure all cables are connected securely, then turn the decoder back on. Fix 3. Inspect the satellite signal cable. Check the satellite cable connected to the decoder, then tighten any loose connectors. Look for damaged or bent cables and restart the decoder after reconnecting the cable. Fix 4. Disconnect external devices. Unplug HDMI cables, USB devices, and other accessories. Then leave only the power cable connected. Now turn on the decoder and check if it boots. Then reconnect devices one at a time. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.